The Bosch cordless brad nailer promises power and precision in a compact, cordless package. But does it stand up to demanding professional and DIY tasks? Or does it have hidden drawbacks? You'll want to know. Stick around for the full lowdown. The Bosch cordless brad nailer combines a sleek, ergonomic design with a rugged, brushless motor, aiming to provide pneumatic-like performance in a portable package. It's a visually appealing tool with an all-black finish and blue accents. Typical of Bosch's professional lineup, the body feels solid and the grip is comfortable. But does it really match the power and feel of traditional pneumatic nailers? One standout feature is its efficient 18-volt brushless motor designed for consistent power to drive 18-gauge nails up to 2 1/8 inches. With the freedom from air compressors and hoses, it's built for convenience, allowing users to move freely on job sites. This tool is aimed at both pros and DIYers who need cordless mobility without sacrificing performance. Another advantage is its intuitive user interface. You can toggle between single and bump fire modes with ease, adjust depth with a thumb wheel, and rely on an LED system that illuminates the workspace and even gives maintenance alerts. When it comes to practicality, Bosch also added a dry fire lockout to prevent damage when the nail supply is low. Compared to a competitor like the DeWalt, Bosch's model offers smoother depth adjustment and a lower recoil, making it more comfortable for extended use. Priced around $420, this model isn't cheap, but it positions itself as a premium option worth the investment. If you're looking for a high-quality cordless brad nailer with dependable power, check out the Amazon link below for current deals. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? First, the cons. Heavier than some other cordless models, limited power with included 2 amp-hour battery, occasional misfires reported on softer woods, pricey compared to other brad nailers. Now the pros. Powerful brushless motor for consistent nailing, tool-free jam release for quick clearing, dry fire lockout feature for protecting work surfaces, easy one-handed activation and mode switching, excellent LED lighting for precise nailing, and dual firing modes. The Bosch is a cordless powerhouse, ideal for pros and serious DIYers. If you're ready to invest in a high-quality brad nailer with the freedom of cordless power, check out the Amazon link below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.